guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a comparison on my Louis Vuitton coin and card holder. So this is from the Tigerama collection. This is a limited edition piece and a slim purse. So this one is made up of a reverse monogram. So they just released this one last month, if I am not mistaken, and this one is absolutely gorgeous. So I will be doing a comparison on these two card holders, and let me just put this together side by side so that you guys have an idea. So on my left, this is the coin and card holder from the Tigerama collection. And on my right, this one is a slim purse. So let me start with the measurements. So the coin and card holder from the Tigerama collection, this one measures 5.7 inches on its length, 3.1 inches on its height, and 0.04 inches on its width. Whereas the slim purse, so the slim purse measures 7.9 inches on its length, 4.3 inches on its height, and it is 0.02 inches on its width. So that is actually the size comparison. So okay, so let me just talk about with the coin and card holder first, from the bright Tigerama rose. So let me just put this one here for a little bit, put this one back. Okay, so the Tigerama card holder case, this is a limited edition, and this one is actually released only once a year. So this year, the Tigerama came up with this beautiful bright Tigerama rose or fuchsia color. This one is made up of a signature canvas and a cowhide leather. It is beautiful. And this one actually has this beautiful silver hardware, because yeah, this one actually belongs on the men's collection. That's why the hardware is in silver. And this one has a 4 card slots in here. So as you guys have noticed right here in the V shape right here, this one is a card holder. So let me just put a card in here so you guys will be able to see. So let me put the card. So yeah, the card, you could put your driver's license here or any card that you wish for. So this is, yeah, the card slot is right here too. So this one is it's still like really tight though, because I only use one card on my card holder, and I would not suggest for you to double it. But yeah, because usually when you double the card holder, what usually happens is it actually put a lot of pressure on the side here. So more likely this would rip in time. So I would suggest not to double it. So this is how it would look if you would put your card holder. So this one could fit 4 card holders. So you guys can see like that. So let me just put it this way. So I just cut this card, and just to give you a little bit of an idea how this one would look. So there were 4 card holders in there, and this one has obviously the zipper closure in here. This one is really, this one when I got it, this one is really like, it's hard to close and open it. Now they put the wax in it and it's very, very smooth. So let's take a look at on this side. This one has a flat pocket in here. The inside has just like this compartment here on the inside. There's no pockets. And this one is made in Italy. So yeah, the foil inside is actually in silver. It's because the hardware is in silver. Also, let's take a look at the glazing. This one has glazing all around it. On the edges, this one seems to look pretty good. I didn't have any issues at all or problems. And this one has a date code. So this one has a date code, and also this one has a microchip as well. So I used, when I purchased this, I actually, I'm not sure if I asked her to check for if there is a microchip in it, but I used my NFC tools. Yes, the microchip is actually located on the portion of the purse. So this is really nice. I love the fact that this one is flat. I could use it in any of my purse, and it's just, I love the pop of color. You could easily find it in your purse. Even if you're, whatever color would be the interior of your purse, you could easily find this. It's because of its bright color. Beautiful. This one is retails for $360. That's before tax. Absolutely beautiful, guys. It's actually one of my favorite color, and I am so glad that I was able to get hands on these. Currently sold out. I don't know if yeah, this is a limited edition, so more likely they're not going to replenish it. That's just how it works with their limited edition. So hopefully next year, if you didn't get a chance to get this, hopefully next year we'll be able to get a Tigerama. I'm actually looking forward for next year what would be the surprise color is going to be. But this year I totally love it, and I definitely love the pop of color, guys. And I have several of these, and I am collecting the card holder for quite some time now, and I've never had any issues at all. It's holding up pretty well. The hardware seems to be so lovely with my previous card holders, and I didn't have any issues with the glazing. I actually looked out for some issues as well. The stitching might not be perfect. You know, sometimes it's a little bit crooked, but here with the card holder, with it, yeah, the fact that it only has 4 card slots in there, so more likely you're gonna have to bring something that is actually like your most used cards. But you can use this as a card holder at the back as well, and also on the inside if you wanna put something like safe stuff right here. So you could do that. You could actually use this as a card holder. It's not necessary that you have to put your card in here, but yeah, this is how it looks and the setup, and it's beautiful. So yeah, currently this is $360. So moving on to the next item. So this one is the slim purse. Wow, I still can't get over how pretty this is. The combination of the reverse monogram and the black cowhide leather. So the cowhide leather for this particular item, this one is smooth. It is not grainy at all. And this one has a gold hardware, very nice. It has a really nice contrasting color on the black leather, and as well as the monogram. Absolutely gorgeous. So this one has on the black leather right here, this one has 3 card slots, but it has an extra card right here on the reverse monogram. Yeah, let me see if this one could, I haven't really used this one yet. Yeah, this could fit a card. Definitely could fit a card as well. So this one has 4 here and 4 on the other side as well. So there is going to be like 4 card slots on each side. Very lovely. So on the other side, and this one has just a flat pocket, and this one is lined with the smooth leather. Very beautiful. So yeah, this one is gorgeous. Absolutely. So let's take a look at inside. This one inside actually is also lined with this grained leather. This one I got. This one I got this one is made in Spain. And let me see, I actually checked this the date code. Okay. Oh, the date code is located on this corner, which is in gold foil. And this one, so that is the date code there. So this one actually has a microchip as well. And this one still has a date code, which is awesome. I know that you guys, I know that they are trying to like eliminate the date code. And yeah, the only way for you to find it's like when you buy something later on, you will definitely going to see no date codes anymore, but it's going to be a microchip. But if you want to make it sure that your item has a microchip, so you could ask your SA to have your item scanned in front of you. So this one retails for $510 US. So now, so this is the comparison of the two. I'm pretty sure that, of course, this one could fit a lot more cards. But the only problem that I have with this particular item, it's because it's made up of a smooth leather. I am not a fan of it. It's prone with scratches. This corner is like too smooth for, this was too smooth for that. If you put a card in here, definitely like actually cause a lot of pressure on this side, and it would definitely, I'm pretty sure it would rip in if you keep using that. So right now I don't really trust the quality of the smooth leather, particularly with this piece. So that is just my thought. It's my thought about this particular piece. Otherwise, the combination of this monogram and the black with the gold hardware is absolutely gorgeous. And also the price point, I'm not sure if this one is worth it for $510 US. This is just mainly made up of canvas and a little bit of leather on the inside. For $510, it's a little bit hefty for that. And I don't know if it's really worth it. My personal thought would have been it's not worth $510 US, guys. And yeah, this one has the glazing as well. It's similar to the coin and card holder for the Tigerama on its corner and on its side as well. And judging by this two that I have right now, since I have this for quite some time, since I got it, this one is $360 US, and this one actually I could use it, I could slip it in any of my purse without taking so much space. And I think this one is actually priced pretty good for $360 US. That's because this one is compact, and this one is it's a mixture of the cowhide leather. So this one, the part that was a cowhide leather is just right here on the inside. It is lined on this side as well. So this is just more likely it. But I really do think that the monogram canvas that they used for this is so much, it's more durable compared to this reverse monogram. This one is like, yeah, you could hardly bend it. And obviously, like, this would soften in time. If you would use it all the time, it would soften. And this one looks like more structure and more durable compared to the reverse monogram. So the reverse monogram, yeah, this one is so flimsy. And it feels like the monogram, the canvas, it's very thin. And I don't feel that, I don't know, the quality of this new item that they have now, it feels like it has gone down tremendously. Look at the canvas. It is very, very flimsy at all. It's like no structure at all. I'm not really sure about that. So overall, this one is like a really soft, flimsy material. And yes, absolutely, this one could fit a phone. It could fit a large phones, and iPhones, the largest phones that they have. But personally, I would not even put the phone inside. No, I would not. Because that would create another issue with the glazing right here. Because of the width, it didn't have much width in it. So more likely it's going to cause a lot more pressure in here over time. So that was just like my concern. But if you wanted to use it for a phone case, it's up to you guys. But if you wanted to protect this item, knowing that this is 510 US dollars, I would not suggest to do that. So yeah, this one is flimsy, and this one is more likely a structured canvas, and I prefer this over this card holder. I'm not sure about this slim purse. I don't think I can recommend this. I really don't think. I am still like in limbo whether if I wanted to keep this or not, because well, if I am not happy of something, I don't think I should keep it. So yeah, I have a few days to think it over if this would work for me or not. But my heart was telling me right now, this is not worth it. For 510 US dollars with a flimsy material, I don't think so. So yeah, that is my comparison with these two card holders. I hope that this video, guys, is actually helpful when it comes to deciding whether if you wanted to add this or this card holder in your collection. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.